Do you want to sound posh in English? Do you want to transform your English from a low level to a high level? Then master this sound. This sound would transform your English. This sound. A. A. Now replace the sound E with this sound A when pronouncing these words. It will help transform your English. D. No. Day. We. Way. P. Pay. Today. Today. Gain. Gain. Afraid. Afraid. Now master these sounds. Try to replace the A with A. When you do, you sound better. I'm teaching us. Would you wish to learn another sound that could help transform your English? Let me know in the comments and hit and subscribe for more.